Say hello to the ultimate blend of comfort and style. The Ticova Ergonomic Office Chair. Engineered for your well-being, the Ticova chair comes with a high-back design that supports your spine, an adjustable lumbar support to ease lower back strain, a fully customizable headrest for maximum neck support, and 3D armrests, adjustable to your height and angle for optimal ergonomics. Experience unparalleled comfort with its breathable mesh backrest, designed to keep you cool, even during long hours of work. And with a 130 degrees rocking function, you can take relaxing breaks without leaving your desk. Whether you're tackling a project or unwinding after a long day, the Ticova chair adapts to your needs. Its durable design ensures years of reliable use, making it the perfect addition to any office. Upgrade your workspace with the Ticova Ergonomic Office Chair today. Comfort, style, and productivity, all in one chair. Click the link below to order yours now. Ticova Ergonomic Office Chair, designed for you. Available now on Amazon.